Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art and welcome to day 8 of our 12 days of giveaway. Over these 12 days we're highlighting small businesses, or I'm introducing you to some supplies that I love and that I use. It's just a fun way that we can give back to you as a thank you and to other small businesses and creatives. Today the lucky winner will receive a 4-piece watercolor brush set from Emma Lefebvre. Now, Emma Lefebvre is another watercolor artist. She has an amazing YouTube channel. She puts out boxes and projects and paints. She's based out of Canada, and she just does a really amazing work. And when I saw that she did this custom brush set, I'm like, I want that. And so I ordered one for me, and I ordered one for a lucky winner. And so I'm just going to open this up here. It's packaged so beautifully. But look how gorgeous these brushes are.
Wow.
And look at this oval wash. It kind of reminds me of like the Blooms brush. I don't know. Just really beautiful. I'm excited to dive in and add this to my supplies. Oh, a 6 round. You guys know how I love about that. And a round 2. These are the best size brushes. Okay. So I actually have one little funny story to tell before we announce the winner, which is a couple years ago, my dad said, because my mom watercolors with me, but my dad said he walked in and my mom was painting a project and it wasn't with me. And he was just like, who is this? And my mom's like, her name's Emma Lefebvre. And my dad was just like, why aren't you watching Sarah? And I thought that was hilarious. My mom was like, I really like Emma too. And just so you guys know, so my dad knows, like, that is great. I love that you guys are watching multiple artists. There is no problem with that. Me and Emma have chatted a little bit where sometimes, people are just like, oh, this person did this project first. And just so you guys know, like, that's just not how I view other watercolor artists. Like, I'm happy for them. I support them. She does really amazing stuff and she's so giving in her information. And so if you have not checked her out, please do. You'll really enjoy what you find. She's really great. So I just thought that was funny. I was like, Dad.
The infidelity.
It's okay. He was just like, what are you doing? So anyways, Michael, are you ready to pull a winner?
Ready.
All right, drum roll, please.
The winner of today's giveaway is Stephanie Gunderson.
Stephanie, congratulations. I'm going to get this 4-piece watercolor brush set in the mail to you. Give me a couple of weeks because I like to push things off a little bit.
These will sit around the studio for a few days.
Yes, until Hadley or Michael is like, Sarah, mail those things out. I'm like, okay. Anyways, Emma, thank you for sharing your skills and your talents. We really appreciate what you do. And if you want to check her out, I'm going to put all of Emma's information in our description, as well as you can get these brushes if you're interested in trying them yourself. So thank you guys so much for being here and for supporting us and other small artists. We couldn't do it without you. And we'll see you later. Bye.